Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome to KMPH1. This is your host Hiten, and finally, after a long time, I'm posting something on YouTube. So today is, I believe, 6th of December. I'm going for Gujarat, and as the title suggests, let's see what the road conditions are like. Yeah, anyway, so I won't be showing much because till the time I reach Thane it would be little brighter, so I would turn on the camera then. And I just need to have my morning cup of coffee before I actually begin my ride. So I will have my cup of coffee, reach Thane, and after that the interesting part will start. That would be Ghodbunder. Crossing Ghodbunder would be interesting at this point of time because of all the trailer traffic. So let's see what happens. I'll keep you posted. We have just entered Thane. Took around 40-45 minutes today. I left at 6 in the morning, stopped for a tea, and then there is traffic early in the morning. And then once I joined Thane Belapur Road, it's been like this, not much of in progress. It's pretty slow because of all the early morning trailer traffic, buses, rickshaws, spitting cobras. Now the interesting part will begin. The road is going to deteriorate a lot going further because Ghodbunder is going to come up. Before Ghodbunder, a lot of construction is going on because of the metro. And it was already showing early in the morning there is traffic on Ghodbunder, and there is some traffic after we cross Ghodbunder, after we take a right towards Gujarat. Let's see. So here comes the traffic. Dude, Ghodbunder enter kiya thoda aa gaya, and I didn't expect it to be this type of traffic jam. Oh damn, this is going to take a lot of time. तो बाइक है तो इट्स फाइन बिकॉज आई एम एबल टू क्रॉस at least but the cars and the trucks, oh my god, they are stuck. And then we have these kind of drivers. I don't know what they want to achieve, but yeah, nothing. Finally some open road. But yeah, once again there will be a little bit of traffic ahead. Feels so good, but yeah, the road is very bad. Traffic is worst. I believe it's not usually this bad. It's just because early morning and the trailers leave at the night and all that kind of stuff. So a lot of things are involved. But yeah, once again there will be a little bit of climb that these trailers will have to do, so we'll get more traffic up ahead. There's a beautiful sunrise happening. The truck is blocking the view right now, I don't know. But yeah, there's a beautiful sunrise happening, and we have gotten lucky, no traffic. So we have reached Fountain Hotel. Nice. I'm scared of people coming from the wrong side on this type of turns. Oh, it's so beautiful. I didn't get to witness the actual proper when it rises from the horizon, but yeah, this is pretty good. Uncle is standing in between, not sure why. He's upset with his life. Okay, I can see more traffic up ahead. Nice. Beautiful sunrise on the right, and a lot of traffic on the left. Or maybe no, they are just stopped for a break. Yeah, not a bad stop. Not a bad place to stop for a break. Yeah, I guess if you can have such kind of view. All right, more traffic up ahead. I'm just tired. I want to keep a constant speed of at least 80. able to maintain like even 40 on these roads. Let's go left. So this is like what the whole road, at least like I know till Vasai, this is the condition. Like some patches like they have completed 2 lanes, some patches they have completed just a single lane. Especially if you're driving at night, it's like very risky on such roads. Alright, let's see. So Little Vasai, this is what the road would look like. Like, yeah, somewhere you will get a better patch. Like up ahead, as you can see, like 2 lanes have been done. Like they have concretized 2 of the lanes. Somewhere like they have done 3. Oh, this one has been like done through 3 lanes. But like the road is very bad. Like it's not even. If you have an adventure bike or something, or like as you can see, like that X-Pulse is going, it would be like pretty comfortable for you. But like if you're on Java or like some bike like Royal Enfield, I'm not sure like how comfortable Royal Enfield is. But yeah, like Java, it's like very close, like on the bumps. You feel each and every bump on your body, on your butt, and it hurts. So as you can see, still stuck in traffic. I haven't even reached Vasai yet. Vasai is still like 10 kilometers away. So just crossed Naigaon, and like yeah, they have. Like they tried to divert the traffic from like the other lane, like on the wrong side, but yeah, all the lanes are jammed, and like that lane is, it's like still a little fast moving than this, but like it's not worth, like the road is not good, like it's completely scraped up, bike just wobbles here and there, so it's not worth to go over there. Yeah, I was like, okay, like we'll go behind the traffic, like keep on moving slowly. Sometimes that lane moves faster, sometimes this lane moves faster. It depends on your luck. Yeah, so people are stuck in that lane. Some like I just saw like a lot of people stuck behind. Oh, very slow and very tiring actually. So I just crossed Naigaon, and after Naigaon, yeah, as I said earlier, the road does get better. Like better in the sense there is a road, but like it's very uneven. Like the new road they have constructed, like it's, yeah, you can see, feel each and every jerk. So I just crossed Vasai and I believe I'm about to reach Virar now. The road is good, like the road construction work is almost done, but yeah, the traffic is still like equally bad. It's like as like it's got better, like I can maintain a little bit of speed, like yeah, but still like as soon as you get bridges or anything, the traffic slows down, like because like the trucks are blocking each and every lane, they can't climb fast on the bridge. So yeah, but apart from that, if you get a flat like straight road, then it's better. So once again stuck in the traffic jam. I'm not sure why. So this stretch before Manor, it used to be so beautiful because like the road was so nice up until they started to like rework on it and concretize the complete section. Like it was fun to ride bike over here, but now it's no longer fun because like at least not until the time they go ahead and finish all the work over here. The truck drivers also drive so stupidly, like that guy is hogging like the complete both the lanes, like he's riding in like driving in the middle of the road. Stupid. Finally some fresh air. Another stupid driver. And like this is the case every time. Like they keep on riding in the middle of the road. I'm not sure why. What are they trying to achieve? this is like the one thing that's creating all the like traffic jams, because truck drivers keep on occupying each and every lane. They drive slow, they can't go fast, but yeah. I'm not sure when people will start to get some road sense into them. But yeah, anyways, once again I can see slow moving traffic up ahead. So it's going to be very irritating. I'm not sure, like at least till I cross Gujarat border. I'm pretty sure like the roads are going to be good after that. This is a torture in itself. But once you clear the traffic, it's very nice. Like it's around 9 now. It's been 3 hours and 90 kilometers. Not even 90 kilometers, 86 kilometers in like exactly like I have covered so far. And in that, like let's take say half an hour break for a couple of tea. But apart from that, it's all like the traffic jam which has like eaten up all the time. Like once again, John, you get these good patches, and after a few minutes, the trucks. For past 8 to 10 kilometers, I guess, like the road has been like this. The work has been done. Like only for a few kilometers after that toll, like the road was bad. But yeah, this is like pretty nice now. So we are about to reach Manor now. It's like on the signboard it said it's like 3 kilometers away. Once again, the road was good and Manor Pochtahi road is bad. But yeah, like after I crossed Vasai, it was bad for a few kilometers, and then again it's good. After Manor, the road is actually very nice. It's been fun riding now. I miss this feeling. Open roads, no one to bother. Just your music, your bike, and you. What else can you ask for? This is nice. Crossed Charoti toll. Like it's starting to get warmer and warmer now. Feel the heat creeping inside me slowly. So I had stopped like to have some water at the toll, and I asked like how's the road condition. Like I asked the truck drivers actually, because they are like the most frequent travelers over here. I asked like what's the road condition now? Is like it's very nice. The roads are nice now. It can't get worse from what I have been through already, so that's a positive. The location I'm heading towards, I just checked Google Maps, it's showing 2.5 hours for another 130 kilometers. So I guess it would be a smooth ride here onwards. Maharashtra checkpost ahead. Okay. We do not need to go into the checkpost. We go straight. Gujarat State RTO checkpost Bhilad. Welcome to Bhilad, my friend, and welcome to Gujarat. ગુજરાતમાં તમારું સ્વાગત છે. So there is no road work going on over here. I can still see like the roads are old tarmac roads. But yeah, there are quite a lot of potholes over there, everywhere. Never mind, scratch that. Road work is going on over here as well. They've literally scratched it. I don't know why did I make that sound. Oh fuck. Do not slow into my lane. Anybody, there is a lot of gravel. I don't have confidence on my front tire. And the bike is fishtailing like crazy right now. So गुजरात में તમારું ટ્રાફિક થી સ્વાગત છે. So as soon as you enter Bhilad, there is traffic because I know like there is some bridge work going on. They are trying to build a new bridge over here to bypass all this traffic. And I still believe even like last I saw, it was like few years back, and I still believe like the work is in progress. Maybe not. Just the road work just going down the entire platform. Welcome to Vapi, my friends. Vapi got pollution. I almost covered 80 kilometers in the last hour or so. Like 1.5 hour I covered 80 kilometers. And like this, it took me at least 3 hours to cover 80 kilometers in the beginning. So if the road is good, just imagine like how much distance we are able to cover. The roads are good, but the traffic is bad again. So I left the highway, by the way, and so like there was a place called Paradi, and from there I took a right like towards my destination. Yeah, like the view is nice, calm. But anyways, most probably like I would just end the vlog over here because yeah, I wanted to show the road towards Gujarat, like how it is, like what is the road condition. So to, let's say, like to put it in a sentence, till Manor you would be suffering a lot. After Manor it's like good. It won't take much time out once you cross Manor. So if you're traveling from Mumbai, Navi Mumbai or anywhere, if you're traveling from Navi Mumbai, Thane, then Ghodbunder is like one of the worst patch. After that, yeah, like it depends on like what time of day you leave, because like the truck traffic is also like horrendous. Like once you cross like Ghodbunder or while being on Ghodbunder, especially early in the morning when like all the trailers are still out. After that, what do you call it? Yeah, after that it's like okay. But yeah, anyways, let's end the vlog over here. While returning, I have a scenic route planned, so I will be recording that as well. Ouch! I will be taking a different route. I won't be taking this highway once again. Like the highway is the shortest route, but there is a longer route available. It takes a little more time. Like it will take me around 9-10 hours to reach Mumbai, as compared to like 7 hours, which like it's going to take me around. But yeah, it's going to be a fantastic route and like lots of things to see on my way back. But yeah, once again, thank you everyone for watching. If you did like the video, don't forget to like it. If you're new to the channel, of course definitely a lot of people are going to be new, so don't forget to subscribe if you liked it. And yeah, hit that bell notification. But yeah, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. This is Hiten and you are watching KMPH1. Ta-da.